Stay here. Rete là. Leave me alone. Quitte ma repoum. Stop boring me. Pa megdim. I'm kidding. Map jwe. Have a good day. Passe yon bon journée. Have a good night. Passe yon bon lan nuit. What are you doing? Ki sa wap fe la? I'm jumping. Map sauté. How's your mother? Comment maman ou ye? My mother is okay. Maman mwen bien. Where's your sister? Kote se ou la? She isn't here. Li pa la. I just came from church. Mwen fek soti l'eglis. Did you pray for me? Eske ou te priye pou mwen? Yes, I did. Oui, mwen te fe sa. Do you love God? Eske ou reme bon Dieu? Yes, I love God. Oui, mwen reme bon Dieu. Do you speak French? Eske ou pale français? Yes, I do. Oui, mwen pale. I am taller than you. Mwen pi ou pase ou. You are shorter than me. Ou pi kout pase m. He is a joker. Misye son blage. Her mother is sick. Maman li malade. What does she have? Ki sa li genye? She has fever. Li genye la fièvre. Are you single? Eske ou selibate? No, I'm not single. Non, mwen pa selibate. Are you married? Eske ou marié? No, I'm not married. Non, mwen pa marié. Where have you been raised? Ki kote ou grandi? I've been raised in Haiti. Mwen grandi Haiti. Do you love your parents? Esko reme paran ou? Yes, I do love my parents. Oui, mwen reme paran mwen pil. Are you living by yourself? Eske wap viv pou kou? Yes, I'm living by myself. Oui, map viv pou kom. Do you have a dream? Eske ou gen yon rev? Yes, I have lots of dreams. Oui, mwen gen yon pil rev. Where do you wanna go? Ki kote ou vle ale? I wanna go in Canada. Mwen vle ale Kanada. Do you have kids? Eske ou gen ti moun? Yes, I have 4 kids. Oui, mwen gen 4 ti moun.